Welcome to YL Camera. We're going to get our new camera today. New camera day. First, let us start off with introducing you to one of the first professional cameras around. This came after the famous Nikon F series. This is called the F2. And this was one of the most anticipated professional cameras back in the 1970s. Built like a tank, and you could put many accessories on it. Then by 1996, we come with the F5. Now this camera was a game changer in those days. It was built like a brick house, and it was built like a tank. This could endure anything, and I, as a professional photojournalist, use this on many assignments and could withstand any torture you could give it. By the digital age, we came to more of a retro style, such as a Nikon D3, because people like vintage style looking cameras, especially people my age. Then the next game changer was the Nikon digital D3, which is one of the first full frame professional cameras built for the professional photojournalist. By year 2000s, Nikon was lacking in a little bit in the digital realm. But this year, the long anticipated Z9 had arrived, and I am one of the lucky few to get one on its first day here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, here at YL Camera. So let's do the unboxing for the Z9. Ready? Okay. Let's open this up. I haven't even opened it up yet. As usual, Nikon comes with a very thick manual. And warranty card, because there's a lot of videos in which they show the battery and all this. Let's just show the real deal. Oh my God. Woo. And folks, here it is. Oh, I've been waiting a long time for this. In fact, the whole world has. Let's take a look. And this is the first time I've ever touched it. Oh my God. Take a look, folks. And there she is. What a thing of beauty. I can't wait to use it. Thanks, folks, for joining me in this unboxing of the world famous Nikon Z9. This will be the game changer. And thanks for YL Camera. Thank you.